Okay, we're going to talk about holes and hole notes that you're going to need for your train engine. So you have this handout and you're going to be taking some notes on here. The first thing is when something goes through, which is usually written THRU on our notes here, and it's when the hole goes all the way through. So like here's a side view and here's a view where it goes, where you can see the side of it, and you notice that this one and this one that say through, they go all the way through the item. The next thing is clearance. Clearance is when the hole is large enough so that I can put the screwdriver all the way through here so that I can then screw in something at the bottom. And blind holes do not go all the way through. For instance, these two, they don't go through the other side. Countersinks and counterbores. You have to kind of get the difference of these to understand what they say. A countersink is this one, when it's a cone shape, conical. It's a cone shape. It looks like a little bit of a triangle at the top. That's so that we can have a screw that has that shape on it and it'll go in and be flat there. A counterbore, however, has like a cylinder. It looks like a little rectangle on this side. That's where it's big enough, for instance, a nut or something to go down in that hole. And then a tapped screw is one that actually has threads on it like this. You can see the threads on the inside. You also have these symbols and you need to copy these down. Oops. We know that this is the diameter symbol, though you might have forgot it. Counterbore, that's the one with the little rectangle cylinder at the top. Countersink is the one with the triangle. And this shows how deep the hole goes down. Copy this down. So when you get into Inventor or you're looking at parts, you'll see different things here. So we know this is a diameter of 0.25. It goes down 0.75. So it's a blind hole that only goes down this far, not all the way through. Then the counterbore, this bigger circle here at the top, is got this diameter and it only goes this far down. This one here this is the diameter and it goes this far deep down into the hole. This one, however, is the one this is the diameter, but it goes all the way through the object. Here's our countersink. This one shows that we've got a little V at the top of it. You also have this picture here. These are two different methods for showing the thread notes. This is the one we're going to be using up here, so I'm not even going to talk about this one. This one right here is what we're going to be seeing on our train engine and when you're making it in Inventor. And here's the part. This shows the major diameter, so that's a 5/16 screw. Here's the number of threads per inch. So in 1 inch of that screw, there are 18 threads on the side of that. And then this tells if it's a coarse or fine thread. Most of ours are UNCs. We're not even doing that one.